In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI for academic writing. We'll walk through creating a document, using AI to refine your ideas, and polishing your language so your paper is clear, concise, and formally written. First, open Grammarly in your browser to access your workspace. This is where you'll manage everything related to your documents. Head into the Docs area to see existing files and start a new one. If you already have a draft from another program, choose Upload to bring it in. If you're beginning from scratch, select New Doc so you can write directly in Grammarly. Starting fresh is great for seeing how the AI supports you from the very first sentence. At the top, add a clear, specific title. Make it informative and aligned with your assignment or research focus, for example, by naming the topic and the type of paper. A precise title helps keep your writing on track and makes your document easy to find later. Now, type or paste your writing into the editor. Aim for a straightforward academic tone and keep your argument structure visible. Introduction with a thesis, logically organized body paragraphs, and a concise conclusion. If you're drafting, don't worry about getting every sentence perfect yet. Capture your key claims and evidence first. You'll refine wording in the next steps. As you write, keep your sources organized in a separate notes section or reference manager so citations remain accurate. When you want targeted guidance, open AI Chat. In the chat panel, enter a focused request to direct the AI's help. Ask for clarity improvements on a specific paragraph, suggestions to strengthen a thesis statement, or ways to make transitions smoother between sections. You can request alternative phrasings that keep the original meaning, or ask for feedback on tone and formality to ensure it meets academic standards. Treat the responses as suggestions. Choose what supports your intent and stays true to your argument. For precise, line-by-line polish, switch to Grammarly Proofreader. It will surface grammar, punctuation, word choice, conciseness, and clarity recommendations suitable for formal writing. Rate each suggestion in context. Accept changes that improve readability and correctness, and skip anything that alters your technical meaning or the nuance of your claims. Pay special attention to discipline-specific terminology, quotations, and citations. Confirm that edits don't inadvertently change them. Move between AI Chat for higher level revisions and the proofreader for micro edits until your draft reads smoothly and professionally. By the end, you'll have a cleaner, more coherent paper that communicates your ideas with precision while maintaining your academic voice.